his paws down.
I am so excited.
We're up here in northern Alberta, and we're up here for Spring Bear. Our hosts are Jen and John Rivet. They're friends of Black Rifle. So in bear camp this year, we've got Justin Lee, Amanda Sheets, Ed Merrifield, Lucas O'Hara, Isaac Elman Sr., Caleb Brewer, and myself.
He's out waiting for you. He's working. We're switching. We had one, my one from last year was 7-11 nose to tail. Yeah, and then we can do it too where we could do nose to tail and then paw to paw, kind of like they do in Alaska, and give a square footage, which is kind of cool. So check out which rooms you guys want and stuff, figure all that out. And then what I want to do is I actually want to bring one of these bears, going to bring it out to the tent. We'll grab a water and stuff. You guys can shoot bows, and then we can kind of go over how each day will play out, what we'll do, talk about shot placement on bears if you haven't done that before, the deceptive part, all of that fun stuff.
You're gonna need that to get up to the bunk?
I don't know.
You could probably just crawl right up, Lucas. I don't know if we have a bed that's 7'5". I hate saying clients because I like calling it hunt family, because even if you don't really know them, a good friend knew them. So when they get up here, it becomes more of a family. That's why I think we enjoy it so much.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, the trick is to get the stuff off your arrow is use a Grizzly Forge knife. And see?
Look how well that comes off.
Woo!
Dang. Wow. How do I get one of those?
No guy.
No. You hook me up?
I will hook you up.
Man, you're a good guy.
See? That's a dead center, right?
How expensive is that sight you got on there, buddy?
Look. Hey, wait, look at that last one.
It's a little right.
That's dead center in the dot.
It's a little right.
That's just me being nice to you.
Here, let me go 3 for 3 real quick.
Here. I want to talk shit too, but I'm way outside the circle.
Oh no!
I mean, you know, I'm no special forces, but I did play Call of Duty.
You do need the magnifier though for your old man eyes.
Look at that, all black.
No, you're above.
You're above. I cracked that line.
I'm just hoping to get some good bear out here and to shoot straight, honestly. I am so excited.
So bear baiting started in Alberta back in the mid-'80s. The government realized there was so many bear problems. There was farmers that would plant a crop, just a 160-acre field of oats, and have 30, 40 bears in it, just destroying it, rolling in it. They do more damage rolling it. Like the field would look like a steamroller went by. They would just roll in it, sleep in it, and eat nonstop. So cougars, wolves, bears, the farmer can shoot as many as he wants on his own land to protect his property. So way better to have hunters coming in, hunt a couple bears and manage that population.
Focus. Better.
Saves a lot of moose, saves a lot of deer, saves a lot of elk that they predate on in the spring as they're giving birth. That's when they get most of them, is in the spring when birth is happening. They follow that animal, they follow that ungulate, and when one calf or fawn drops, they grab it and go with it.
We're out here in Alberta, Canada, with the Rivets. I'm with Mama Rivet right now, aka Jen Rivet. And we are black bear hunting. It's my first archery hunt. I'm pretty excited about it. The first hunt I ever went on was with my grandfather when I was 9 years old. And it was for black bear, and it was the first animal I ever killed. So it's pretty cool. It gets to go full circle now. And my first archery hunt gets to be a black bear.
It's exciting. Let's get your adrenaline going. We're at about a solid 14-yard shot anywhere here. So, and we're on the ground today, so pretty close. It'll be exciting. So that bear that's coming in, it turns out it's a sow, maybe 3-4 years old. She's huffing and puffing, and I think she thinks this is her spot, and I don't think she's too happy that we're here, so we're just gonna keep an eye on her when she comes back and forth, just to make sure she behaves. She behaves like a good little girl.
It's pretty freaking rad to be that close to a bear.
Do you like the temperature drop?
It dropped quick.
Oh yeah.
That's freaking awesome.
Well, we gotta see one. But it was definitely long.
There's a good chunk right there.
They can keep a lot.
There you go. There's one there. We are looking for Miss Amanda's black bear. Big patch of blood right here. All right. Yep. That tree's gonna bounce back. Hold on, I'm cutting here. All right, he's not moving. He's curled. His paw's down. Are you confident? He's not moving. Sweet.
Got him!
You want to know something? This is the first bear I've ever actually guided.
Congrats.
They were faint step ones, but they were... Be careful, Mom.
Yeah, leave the helmet.
Very hard to kill bears because we don't have a lot of big open area like Montana or Idaho would have where you can glass a big hillside, find a bear and shoot him with a rifle or something. So it's boreal forest. Most of Alberta's boreal forest where the bears live. So it's solid bush where you need to put bait to draw them out. And by doing that, you can really manage them well because then you can pick gender, you can pick a male over a female. Like you can really be specific to target a certain animal instead of just seeing a bear and shooting it.
We're like, we're gonna kill a bear tonight.
That's
I
awesome.
told her, I was like, I'm obnoxiously lucky, so like,
I
I
love
feel
it.
pretty good about this.
Oh, this is awesome. Give me a high five.
Thanks,
And a
guys.
hug.
Thank
Awesome
you so
job.
much. Thank
Awesome
you.
job, Jenna.
Yes, Jenna, you did a great job.
See
I
this?
appreciate it.
Girl power.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Day one. Day one.
Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lungs.
Oh, wait until you skin them tomorrow, and you're skinning, and it's like.
There's no wheat.
That's my favorite, one of my favorite parts. I'm all for that.
Oh yeah.
I did it, I did
Congratulations.
it. Thank you.
How far was your shot?
14 yards.
And how far do you run?
Like 200?
What'd I say? What'd I say?
I know.
What did I say?
I know.
Huh?
Thank
What'd I
you.
tell you? I said what I tell Cameron what I tell you when we left.
He said, I feel really good about this. You're going to get one. And I was like, okay.
I called
He
it.
did.
I called it.
He did. Oh, man.
Holy shit, Amanda.
I love
That's a nice bear.
Thanks.
Crap. Congratulations, man. Had some muscles to carry it out.
Lucas, we went there.
Yeah.
We got there. And like.
These animal rights activists that think you just go kill something, it doesn't happen that way. Everything is managed. Like even northern Canada where there's polar bear hunts. Those things are counted by biologists, they're counted by helicopter. They figure how many can be harvested or should be harvested to keep a steady population. And some would say, oh, just let nature take its course. You can't. We're put on earth to manage the earth. And if we're managing ungulates, if we're managing elk, we're managing moose, you gotta manage the predator also. You can't just let them run rampant. Everything has to be managed if you're managing anything.
We got the bear ham on here. He's all marinated up. We're gonna.
I decided to give up rifle hunting because I shot a ton of guns in the military, big stuff like long range guns. I hunted with a rifle and it just wasn't the same anymore.